guys, Lucas here with FastCap. I want to show you our new product, the TLC. This is the twist lock or tool lock clip, and basically what it does is when you put your tool on your belt, it's going to lock it in. No longer can you drop or lose or break a tool. So you buy it, you're going to buy a set. It's going to come with the belt clip and the front cam piece. The belt comes with 8.5 inches of Velcro, so it'll fit big tool belts, or if you're doing it on a smaller belt, you can just cut the Velcro off to whatever length you need. And then it's also going to come with one cam. So the cam can be attached to any tool. If it has a belt clip, that makes it the easiest. You'll put the cam part on the front and then it just screws into the receiver that comes with it on the back. You tighten around the clip and then you set what angle you want it to go in. So basically the flat side on it, whatever side that is on, if your receiver's on the right, whenever that flat is pointed straight back, that's the angle that's going to be unlocked, where you can put the tool in and out easily. So for my drill here, I want it to be, when I drill, at exactly the angle it comes down in my hand. When it twists, it locks in. You can also, though, mount it to tools without belt clip using your own screw, and screw just the front part straight into the plastic, and it'll work great just like that too. And then you can mount it to stuff like a hammer as well, using just a wood screw. And for the hammer, say I want it to be where when I hammer, this is the angle it goes in. So I've just set it so that the flat is pointed straight down on my hammer, goes in like that, it's locked in. This is all made out of high quality stainless steel right here in the USA at FastCap. At FastCap, we stand behind our products. So we promise you will not have any issues that we don't help you deal with this product. Now, once you buy the set, we're also gonna have additional cams available. So you can buy a cam for every one of the tools that you might want on your belt at the job site. And you can put more than one tool and more than one receiver on your belt at the same time and not worry about dropping them. Then to make it easy to get your tools in and out of the job site, or just to store them at home, we made it so you can store it using the cam. So we're gonna have a bench mount holder available. Now the bench mount does not actually lock at any angle, so you can put this in and out at any angle. What that means is that if you have a bunch of tools you want to hang side by side on a cart that you're going to roll into a job site, you don't have to leave room for them to rotate to come out. Just the weight of the tool will keep it in the bench mount, but then when you go to work, you take it, put it on your belt, and it'll lock right in. This is the TLC from FastCap. Show your tools a little TLC. Quit dropping them on the floor and get a TLC today.